So forgetting formulas is very common. Forgetting concepts is also very common. In For our department, aircraft structure, aircraft propulsion, flight mechanics, they contain lot of formulas, and there is huge chance that you may forget any easy formula also in your exam hall. Now 27 days are remaining for GATE Aerospace, which is about to happen on 10th Feb 2024. So every day you should wake up and write down all the formulas. Like I have been suggesting my students in my coaching center that you have to make a separate formula book, and you should have a master book. So right now there is no time remaining to revise the master notebook, but you have to revise all the formula books. So in that all the formulas will be there. So you have to convert. Now you have 27 days remaining, so convert all the formulas like this. For example, you want to recall the formula for Reynolds number. So before seeing the formula of Reynolds number, you just write down a question that what is the formula of Reynolds number. So you write down one rough page on that, your first question, what is the formula of Reynolds number. Then one day you do this hard work. You write down the question, what is the formula of Reynolds number. This is only for formula revision. Don't mention any concept, don't mention any notebook or anything. Okay, no books, nothing, no test series, nothing. I'm only talking about the formula revision. So you, whatever formula you have listed down in your formula notebook, now all the formulas you convert as question, like what is the formula of Reynolds number. So below that you write down the formula of Reynolds number. Okay, now when you are revising next day, so you put one paper over the answer of the Reynolds number. You read the question, like what is the first question, formula of Reynolds number. Okay, so because answer is hidden, so you try to recall wherever you are sitting, in library, at your home, or somewhere. You take one loose paper, there you write down the answer. Now you match whether your answer is correct or not. If you will do this for 4-5 days, then everything will be in your touch. Entire GATE syllabus will be in your touch, and you will also be knowing that what are the formulas you are not able to recall. Guys, understand one thing. If there are some formulas what you are not able to recall, then already you are out of the match. Because if numericals will appear on those formulas, you will not be able to solve because you don't know the formula. Or there is possibility that before few months or few weeks those formulas were very comfortable for you, but because from last few weeks you are not in touch with that particular formula, somehow maybe you did not find any question in test series based on that formula, or maybe you did not practice, somehow that formula is not coming in your mind from last few days, then definitely there is chance you will forget the formula. Okay, so whatever formula book you have, now all the formula book you convert as a one line question book. Okay, this I used to do also in my time. So you write down one formula, like so you write down one question, like what is the relation between static stability, I mean sorry, what is the relation between slope of lift curve slope of wing and of airfoil, right? You remember a wing is equal to a naught by this was the formula for wing and airfoil. So this formula, many students they don't understand that when to use degree, when to use radian, even though I have taught in my class in very much detail all these things. So these kind of formulas you have to list down. So I hope you understood that you have to convert all your formula book as a one line question book. And because 27 days are remaining, so it will take maybe 2 or 3 days to convert all the questions like this. Maybe 2 or 3 days, like 7 to 8 hours if you will sit every day, then in 2 to 3 or 4 days you will complete one new book, one new notebook, right? And then in remaining 20-25 days you have to do the same work every day whenever you are restarting. And now see, as I told you in previous videos that you have to set up a deadline. So you find time and do this also and set up a deadline, and after deadline you keep on revising these formulas. Okay, and from wherever you are getting the formula, from any new test series or from any like somehow someone is sharing some questions also. Because I know one more thing, some students, even though they are studying in my coaching center or they are studying in different coaching center or self-study students, somehow they will be, I know that somehow they will be having access of all different coaching centers test series. Okay, suppose you are not my student, but somehow illegally, or some, there is a monkey in front of my mirror, or somehow if you are having access of other study materials from different coaching center or from my coaching center, because I have been student in my time, so I know that how like what are the things are there. Somehow we used to find study material from different sources without making payment somehow. Like for example, this we do for Netflix and Amazon or something, right? Some people do this, like in friend circle someone will be having IDs and also will share. So I understand that part too. But even though you are getting the material, you should use that material in a very good way for your success and for your better result. So I hope this video will help you. So write down the formula properly. And one more thing, my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times. I am an IITian and I am running a dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace. So 2014 was my first batch of GATE Aerospace students. And then this is 2024, my 11th batch of GATE Aerospace students. So it's been so many years I'm into GATE Aerospace academics. I'm teaching from long time, and every year I start my new batch on 15th Feb every year. So for 2025, 2026, 2027 onwards. So share this video whoever is willing to join in your juniors and seniors and classmates for GATE Aerospace coaching. They can join me, and even right now they can start their preparation early because of other facilities I have. So they can join me right now. So just let them know that there is a coaching center running from these many years, and so many selections I have given. You just be on my YouTube channel for a few days. You will come to know that I have uploaded, because I used to introduce myself in all the videos, because still many students are watching this video for the very first time. So that's why it is important to introduce myself. But many students, they are watching my videos regularly. Okay, now come to one more point. There are two more ways to remember formulas properly. There are two more ways. One way is whatever formula you are not able to recall, you are writing 2-3 times but you are forgetting. Okay, so you take the photo and put that photo in your mobile wallpaper. Okay, that will, so whenever you are seeing the mobile, it's like sticking, like writing down on a page and sticking on the walls. Same thing you can do for your phone also, right? So that is one way. And another way is you create audio file. Yes, you create audio file. We have audio recording, right? So in that audio recording, just you write down the first question, like record the first question. What is the formula of deflection when load is distributed, when uniformly distributed load is there over fixed beam? What is the formula of deflection when uniformly distributed load, means UDL, is kept over simply supported beam? So try to recall it, and you also speak answer in that. Okay, so you open the phone like this and you start the recorder. So now you are listening that, okay, first question is like, what is the formula of speed of moving shock wave? Then pause the video, then pause the audio, then you try to recall the answer. If you're not able to recall the answer, then answer will be there. Okay, then again play the video, listen the answer. So this is how you can create a big audio file. That audio file will help you a lot. Suppose you are tired, whole day you are writing, practicing, and by the evening or by the night you are enough tired. But if you have this audio book, this audio formula, then you can definitely do little bit more study. What formula you are going to revise by writing or something, that formula you can also recall by listening. Okay, because in GATE exam, if you are not ready with the formula, then you are already out of the war. You have already lost the war. So formula is very, very important in the last moment, whether you understand the concept or not. If you understand the formulas also, at least you can attempt few questions. Okay, because in GATE Aerospace, I can, don't take it for granted, but still roughly 40 marks question will be based on formula. Even if you don't understand the reality, background, concept, but if you know the formula, you can crack it. Okay, I hope this video is adding value in your preparation plan.